CME and Cboe Bitcoin futures are in number 8220. Unique animal in number 8221. Capable of price manipulation. 2. Major firms: Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME Group Inc., and Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE, are set to offer Bitcoin futures this month. One grave fear is price manipulation, as the industry and number 8217's principal regulator, Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, explained in an interview this morning. Peer-to-peer Bitcoiner gets year in prison for being unlicensed Bitcoin futures and number 8220. A unique animal unlike any commodity in number 8221. Affable CFTC regulator, Chief Market Intelligence Officer Andrew Bush described this morning the coming futures scenario as a number 8220. A pretty exciting time, and number 8221. On CNBC and number 8217's. The CFTC is the main regulator of industry contracts and is anticipating cryptocurrencies into its policy scheme. And number 8220. I think it and number 8217's really important for people to understand. And number 8221. Mr. Bush continued. And number 8220. The process by which a new contract gets created by the CME and other exchanges. There are two paths you can go down. A self-certification process, and then there in number 8217's a written approval process. And number 8221. He clarified. CFTC has been on the defensive for a while, as market-heavy such as Interactive Brokers and its chairman, Thomas Peter Fee, took a full-page advertisement to warn against and actively urge such contracts be separated from the rest. And number 8220. Most of these guys come through with self-certification. And number 8221. Mr. Bush noted. And number 8220. We get involved and take a look at things because Bitcoin is so unusual. Our chairman has said this is a unique animal unlike any commodity we and number 8217. They looked at before. And number 8221. Manipulation and number 8220. We got involved with them earlier in the process. We modified, or encouraged them to modify, parts of the contract. The margin is much higher than what they originally came to us at. And number 8221. Mr. Bush acknowledged. An interviewer interrupted. And number 8220. Is it safer? Will it be safer? And number 8221. And number 8220. What we and number 8217 trying to do is show people that the exchanges. And number 8221. He answered. And number 8220. They and number 8217. Read the ones looking at the underlying cash contract to make sure it and number 8217's not manipulated. Our role as a derivatives regulator is to make sure the futures contract is not manipulated. We and number 8217 going to do that for sure. And we and number 8217 going to continue to work with the exchanges just to make sure Bitcoin is not manipulated in its use on the exchanges. And number 8221. And number 8220. This is really important for people to understand looking at Bitcoin. The underlying cash market is not regulated at this point. And number 8221. He emphasized. And number 8220. And I think it in number 8217's important for investors and everybody else looking at Bitcoin and other currencies to keep that in mind when they and number 8217 trying to make a decision on what to do with it. And number 8221. He said, He was asked about the risks with the commodity trading within unregulated and highly regulated markets. And number 8220. It and number 8217. S.A. Greenfield for sure. If we talk to anybody within the agencies, they say, one of the biggest challenges is the price volatility. And number 8221. He said, noting other products within the same markets are themselves volatile. And number 8220. We and number 8217. They run stress tests on them. And we and number 8217. Moving ahead with it. I think the exchanges are comfortable with it as well. And number 8221. The regulator was put in the awkward position of defending Bitcoin. And for the rest of the segment he actually did a pretty good job. The appropriate level of margin. Hedge funds salivating at cornering Bitcoin in order to bet against it. Arbitrage opportunities. All of it, he said, were market mechanisms designed to mature this and number 8220. Unique animal. And number 8221. What do you think about futures and their impact on Bitcoin and number 8217? S price? Tell us in the comments below.